You've been using a free software to edit your videos, and now you want to level up to Premiere Pro. Let's talk about why you should. I've been using Premiere Pro for about a decade, and I highly recommend it to everybody to use to edit their videos, and it does actually make your video edits a lot better because of the tools within it. With an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, you have access to the Creator's suite of tools that can work seamlessly together. From Premiere Pro dynamically linking comps to After Effects to work individually on clips, adding visual effects or animations, and you can go from Premiere to Audition to sweeten audio in an audio editor that goes a step above Premiere Pro's tools built into that program. Inside of Premiere Pro, you can add video effects, audio effects, you can edit text and graphics, as well as keying green screens. I know with other video editing software, you don't have the option to add graphics or key green screens or even add video effects to your videos. So staying within Premiere Pro actually gives you professional level tools to make professionally graded content. Premiere is the leading video editor in video marketing, content creation, and filmmaking. The beauty of Premiere Pro is that you do not have to be an expert video editor to use it. I'll show you how easy it is. Click and drag files into the bin, select a preset timeline, drag the clips into the timeline, cut the heads and tails, layer in your audio, and export. It's literally that easy. It's not that hard. You will figure the program out. Your timelines do not need to look like this. Yeah, that's Marvel Endgame. Yeah, 63 layers. That's even a lot for me to handle. If you do subscribe to Creative Cloud, make sure you also subscribe to me, the Motionologist. And also YouTube has curated this specific content for you because they know that you're going to like it. So go learn something new. Thanks for watching.